Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to convert scanned images to RTF file format. We have few scanned image files. We would like to convert this into RTF file format. To do that, open your favorite browser. Go to image2go.com. Click on Convert Image to Document icon. Click on Choose File, or you can drag and drop the image file here. Select the image files on your computer and click Open. Selected files has been uploaded. Scroll down. Under Settings section, click on the drop-down menu below the target format. Select RTF from the drop-down menu. Now select the option that says Convert with OCR. Select the source language of your file, or you can also use the automatic detection option. Click on the Start button to begin the conversion process. Wait for a few seconds. That's it, conversion is completed. Click on the Download button next to each file. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the file and select Show in Folder. Double-click on the files to open it. You can compare the image file with the Word document and make some minor edits. This is how you can convert scanned images to RTF file format. Thank you for watching.